Hello, in this short video I will show you how to install Easyfix DIY Filmglaze, which is an easy to use and inexpensive way of applying secondary glazing to your home. It works by trapping still air between the window pane and the film glaze, which keeps the heat in. The ideal cavity is about 20mm deep. Filmglaze is one of a range of secondary glazing products made by Tubeway Sales Limited and marketed under the Easyfix DIY trade name. Details and installation videos for all of these are available on our website tubeway.co.uk. First thing you need to do is measure all your window sizes to make sure you buy enough film glaze for the job. Remember to add a few centimetres to each measurement to make sure the film overlaps the frame. Also check if you need to draft proof the window frame before applying the glazing. Tubeway have a range of DIY draft excluder options on the website, such as our DE901 foam strip, which can be used to seal gaps. Filmglaze comes in 3 pack sizes. The small pack covers 1.8 square metres, the medium pack 4.5 square metres and the large pack 9 metres. In this demonstration we use the small pack. Each pack contains the film, full fitting instructions and enough double-sided tape and surface preparation wipes for the job. The wipes clean and degrease the fitting area prior to starting. Extra tape and wipes are available. In addition to the Filmglaze pack, you will need a craft knife, scissors and a hairdryer. You can use the back of a spoon to press the tape firmly onto the window frame. To get started, remove any fittings that will obstruct the installation, as these can be refitted on top of the Filmglaze later. Open and use a surface preparation wipe on the window surround. When the frame is dry, apply adhesive tape to the top of the frame. When applying the tape to the sides, carefully lift a couple of centimetres of the top backing tape to allow you to overlap the corners for an airtight seal. Repeat this for all corners, but do not remove the backing tape yet. I'll show you this in a close-up. Completely unfold the film glaze so it's a single sheet. Cut to size, not forgetting to leave a bit of excess film on all sides. Now remove the backing tape from the top of the window frame. Hold the film glaze by the top corners and apply to the tape, keeping it nice and flat. Now remove the remainder of the sticky tape backing and stick all the way around the frame. Finally, press around all the edges for a proper seal. You can use the spoon to help. Put your hairdryer on its lowest heat setting. Too high and you could burn a hole in the film glaze. You're now going to gently warm the film and smooth away the wrinkles. When you finish using the hairdryer, leave it for about 30 seconds or so, and then you can tap the film glaze and you should get a drum-like noise. To finish up, trim the surplus film from the edges of the frame. Regarding maintenance, you can wipe film glaze down with a soft cloth. If it sags, reuse the hairdryer. To remove the film, trim inside the tape and remove the centre panel. Then use the hairdryer to help remove tape, finally wiping the frame down with white spirit to get rid of any adhesive residue. Avoid pointed objects that might puncture film glaze. If this happens, small holes can be repaired with clear tape. And there you have it, super job.